What's up boys, Razor here and welcome to a new video on my channel. In this video I recorded in Keydrop. I got $560 on my balance. Okay, before I start, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate, best promo code. Just click add fonts on top right corner, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate in a promo code box and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. Also you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. If you're looking for free gold on Keydrop, just click free gold section, scroll down, you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps guys. On Keydrop you can join on events, giveaways, tournaments and more. You can check this one event, Galactic War event. So you can open Galactic War cases. I'll try with Fex case, I'll try with 5 of them, $10. And let's see. Okay, that's bad. Okay, I'll start case battle with new cases. We need one player to join here, only 5 cases. I can try with both this one case battle and let's see. I hope we can hit one good hit here. Okay, gloves at start. Gloves at start, $120. Come on, just keep grinding, please. 3 more cases left. $125 on my side, man. Come on. Alright, last one case. Please don't be toxic. Drop something good. Alright, that's not bad. That's profit. $186. Okay, I'll join this one. $13 case battle. Only 2 cases. Megalo and Diplo case. And yeah, first one skin is so bad. Trigger Disciplined Eagle. Second one, that's GG guys. Okay, $16 this one. $20. $7 profit. Let's try with contracts. $20 and 21. Okay, I'll try with my own case battle. 6 cases, only YouTuber cases. And let's try with bot. And let's try with bot. Come on. I hope I can win one good knife here. Please, one. Only one knife. Alright, 3 more cases left. One good hit, only we need. Okay, this one USP is $53. That's nice hit. One more, drop one more USP, please. He got this one and for holy shit, $723. That's so unlucky. GG. Alright, let's see this one. $215, 16 cases, guys. This one need to pay huge. First one skin, $5, MP9. 3 more Starfleet cases left. Come on. Only new cases in this one case battle from event. From Galactic 4. Come on, last one Starfleet. Please, one good hit. Alright. Let's try with Inspector cases. 3 of them only. Okay, last one. Please drop something good. Please, man. One nice hit I need. $2 only, Tech 9. Only $2. Okay, print stream USP. How much is that? $64. Okay, field tested. Come on. He got glows, man. Holy shit. Drop me one glows, please. Not bait, please, man. Why bait me for fade glows? I need one good hit. Please, dude. 4 more cases left. Holy shit. Drop 1 AK, $30 maybe. Please. No way. Only $40 lead. AVP Wildfire. Please now. Okay, this one AK. Holy shit, that's so close. I'll join this one, $10 only. 5 cases. First one, Grease case, so bad skin. Let's try out second one. Yeah, same, okay. Now fax cases, 2 of them. Same shit, only low budget skins. Okay, last one, Starflick. And yeah, that's GG. Also guys, you can join on free case battles on Keydrop. You just need to find green icon free and just click join the battle. Okay, let's create one knife case battle with new knives, $160. Last one case battle maybe. Let's see. We need only 1 player to join. Okay, 1 player already joined. Wish me luck here guys. Please be huge. That same shit. Left side, please. Pick me on left side. Pick left side. Alright, alright. Let's try with upgrade now. I'll try all in. 2x hit. Let's try with 1.5x. This one versus knife Doppler. Wish me luck. Looks close. I got it. Finally I got it. $500. Okay. So that's it guys. If you're looking for best promo code on Keydrop, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Just click add fonts in top right corner in a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. For 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Not bad today on Keydrop guys. 1 versus knife Doppler. So let's use my promo code, like and comment this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.